What's going on, everybody? As you can tell, we're missing some mirrors. We're doing a little color match today, a little DIY. Kick it. Not over here. Kick it right over here. Ooh. Through your legs. But yeah, we got doing the whole mirror. And what I'm going to be using, well, what I'm already using is this stuff here. That. And then we got a little bit of adhesion promoter. And then I got clear coat as well. And that's the same thing I used on the mirror caps. And they turned out pretty good. Got some bug juice on them, but yeah, once I get these bad boys painted, I'm gonna put probably 3 coats of the white and then 3 or 4 coats of clear on there. And then I'll show you guys how these things turned out. What are you doing? You ain't kicked the ball? Right by you. But yeah, once I get this stuff painted, I'll pick the video back up and show you guys how it turned out. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, everybody. Got it back together, and I was hoping I was gonna have more sunlight than what I do. Oh, y'all see that lightning over there? But unfortunately, it lasted a little bit longer because I had to let the paint dry before I touched them. But we got them on there, and they look super good. I'm sure it's a little bit of a different white, but you really can't, from here, you can't even tell. I think it turned out really good. Let me know what you guys think. Should we have left them black with the white, or does the white on white look better? To me, the color match looks way better. Now we definitely got to get some kind of lighting here. And another great thing that I figured out, which I'm sure a lot of you guys know, when you purchase a new truck from any dealership, I believe, I know Chevy and GMC are like it. I don't know if Tundra or Toyota and Ram are like it, but Ford, you also get Ford points, which you can use towards accessories for your truck. You get 31,000 when you purchase one of these new. So that's equivalent to like 150 bucks. The illuminated front Ford emblem for these trucks is like 250. So I would only have to come out of pocket like 113 bucks. Or should we use that to go towards a bed cover? I'm leaning more towards the emblem, the illuminated emblem, because we have no lighting here. I was going to put rock lights in here somewhere, but I didn't want to do it. It looked like it was going to be a pain, so I didn't mess with that. We still got to add 4 other rock lights to the truck, which I'm probably going to do under the doors. I'm probably going to get adhesive I can't talk right now, to stick the rock lights to the bottom of the cab rather than putting holes in it, having to screw like self-tappers in. I'm probably going to get some kind of adhesive for that, so that's why those aren't on there. But yeah, I definitely feel like we need some kind of lighting here, because right now, if we had that illuminated Ford with the running lights, fog lights, rock lights, this thing would look sick. But yeah, I feel like it turned out really good, and it was super easy to do. I'll kind of give you guys a walkthrough on how you take this apart. So with this here, this little cover, this just pops off, and then the only other bolts you have are down. You got one here and then one there, which are Allen keys. Well, not Allen keys, but hex head bolts. And then it's literally just the plastic clips that are on the back side of the door. You just pop this off, and then you got complete access to it. So it was super easy to do. All I had to have was a flathead screwdriver and a set of the star bits. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I know it's not the best lighting. Matter of fact, let me grab my flashlight and we'll shine some light up on this thing. That way you guys can kind of see exactly. I was gonna drive it up to the dealership, but I'm super dirty right now. There we go. Sponsored by Milwaukee. There we go. Check that out. That looks super good. You can see how glossy it is from here. And that kind of matches the paint, honestly. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. Should we just go ahead and get the Raptor grill, or should we get the illuminated Ford badge for the front for this grill for the meantime? And then we still got to get a receiving hitch and a bed cover. Still haven't decided on which bed cover I want to get. Receiving hitch, I'm going to get it from Amazon. I priced one at Ford, and they're like $600. I'm not paying $600 when I can get it for like $250 to $175 on Amazon. So that's why I haven't got the receiving hitch, but let me know what you guys think. Did it turn out good? I think it looks really good. I think it looks really good. And like I said, I only paid about, there's the old OBS, it's hiding the old GMC. I only paid about 40 bucks for everything that I needed to do the mirrors, which you only need 1 can of clear. I got 2 cans of white and it was plenty. So yeah, you can get all that stuff from AutoZone. Super easy to do. The mirrors on the inside, I'll pop those out, which they just pull right off. You got a sensor for your blind spot monitoring. And then on the passenger, you got the temp sensor on the bottom side of the mirror. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did it turn out good, or should I have left it like it was? Let me know in the comments. And if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button. And go ahead and smash that sub button if you want to see more content on the Ranger. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.